Exercise. Goals. Think of a goal of yours that can be measured in progress every day, whether it's minutes spent exercising, number of photos sent to friends, hours spent sleeping, or number of words written for your novel. Exercise. Create an array literal with 20 to 25 items of sample data for your daily activity. It may be something like, let miles biked get 3, 7.5, 0, 0, 17, etc. Feel free to make up or embellish the numbers, but make sure you have entries that are above, below, and exactly at the goal you've thought of. Hint, make sure to choose the right kind of array for your data, whether it's double or int. So double, remember, is decimal points, int is whole numbers, integers. So we are going to make a constant. So let deadlift daily max. Don't deadlift every day. We'll just say this is every day that you have deadlifted the maximum you lifted. And this is going to be, let's go with a double. We'll throw some decimal points in there. And that is going to get an array. So notice also my double type is in brackets, square brackets, because it is an array of doubles. And I'm just going to put some values in there. And if I don't want to count how many of these I have, just to make sure I have 20 to 25, I'm going to go deadliftdailymax.count, and this will tell me how many items are in my array, which is 25. Next, exercise. Write a function that takes the daily number as an argument and returns a message as a string. It should return a different message based on how close the number comes to your goal. You can be as ambitious and creative as you'd like with your responses, but make sure to return at least 2 different messages depending on your daily progress. So now we are going to create a function. So func. Goal achieved, so we're checking our goal, our daily number, which is a double, and we are only checking one at a time, so that is not the entire array, so it is not in square brackets. And I'm going to return a string, so that's going to be a message. Inside of that, I'm going to check if daily number is greater than or equal to goal. Then, I need to throw my goal in there. Let goal get, and let's say 215.0. So that is a double because it is implied. All right, so if daily number is greater than my goal, so if this number, so looking at each item in the list is, which we're going to do down here, is greater than 215, I am going to return goal and we are going to interpolate our goal. And then we're going to do some math for this interpolation. We're going to do daily number minus goal. So that's how much we went over our goal in pounds, so lbs. All right, so if daily number is greater than or equal to goal, you've reached your goal. You went over your goal by what your goal is, by how many pounds you went over your goal pounds. Else, I can do 2 things at once. Else, if that is false, we are going to return. Unfortunately, you did not reach your goal of, and then interpolating that goal, pounds today. So this is going to go through each day once I put it into a loop. All right. Next, exercise. Write a for in loop that iterates over your sample data. calls your function to get an appropriate message for each item, and prints the message to the console. So we are going to write a loop for daily weight in deadlift daily max. So for each weight in my list of deadlift daily max, I'm going to print, and then I'm going to call my function goal achieved, and then my daily number is going to be the daily weight for each weight here. So this is going to run through my entire array, and I can see the days I didn't meet my goal and the days that I did meet my goal, and by how much I met my goal. All right, and that's it for exercise goals.